Welcome to our advanced plastic sleeve sheet production and processing line, where innovation and precision meet to create high-quality packaging solutions. Our sleeve sheet is made from PP material and serves as a vital component of our versatile plastic sleeve box. Equipped with cutting-edge machinery and advanced automation, our production line ensures efficient and consistent manufacturing, meeting the demands of our clients. The plastic sleeve sheet is designed to provide exceptional durability and strength, safeguarding your valuable products during transit and storage. Our production line adheres to stringent quality control measures to ensure that each plastic sleeve sheet meets our high standards. The plastic sleeve pack is utilized in a wide range of industries, including logistics, automotive, electronics, and more, offering secure and reliable packaging solutions for transportation and storage needs.